Welcome to Best Choice. The best laser disc video player is probably one of the most iconic and nostalgic pieces of home entertainment technology, offering a unique viewing experience that harks back to a bygone era of physical media. These players, once the pinnacle of home video quality, deliver a distinct analog warmth and a substantial feel that digital formats simply can't replicate, making them a fascinating subject for collectors and retro enthusiasts alike. If you're looking to step back in time and appreciate the tactile joy of loading a massive disc, this is the player for you. Number 5. Introducing the AuKing 2026 upgraded mini projector. It delivers crisp, clear images with the latest 1080p Full HD resolution. Enjoy vibrant colors and accurate detail restoration for a truly immersive viewing experience. Transform any space into a home theater with a massive 200-inch projection screen. This device offers a flexible projection size and distance, adapting to your environment. Its advanced cooling system ensures the bulb lasts over 15 years, providing long-lasting entertainment. Enjoy your movies without distraction. Thanks to advanced noise reduction, fan noise is significantly reduced. It also features built-in dual stereo speakers for loud and clear audio, with the option to connect external speakers for even higher sound quality. This portable projector offers versatile connectivity with HDMI and USB interfaces. Easily connect your smartphone, laptop, tablet, or TV box to enjoy movies, photos, and games on the big screen. Please note, an adapter may be needed for phone connections and some streaming apps require a separate device. Perfect for movie nights and outdoor entertainment, this projector is designed for your home theater. It's not recommended for business presentations but excels at delivering a fun and engaging viewing experience. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year warranty and satisfaction guarantee. What we like. This projector offers stunning Full HD 1080p visuals on a massive 200-inch screen, with a bulb that lasts up to 55,000 hours. If you're looking for an immersive home theater experience without frequent bulb replacements, this is your ideal choice. It's perfect for movie nights, gaming, or even outdoor screenings where a big, vibrant picture is key. What people say. The Laserdisc video player offers excellent picture quality, superior to VHS. It supports both Laserdisc and CD playback, providing versatile entertainment options. The player features a robust build and a user-friendly interface for easy operation. Number 4. Maxell Pro 190048CD 340 Laser Lens Cleaner. Is your CD player or game console skipping or not reading discs properly? Bring your entertainment back to life with this advanced laser lens cleaner. Equipped with specialized microfiber brushes, it effectively eliminates static and dust from your laser lens. It's a safe and chemical-free solution for all your discs. Getting your player back in top shape is simple. Just insert the disc and let the cleaner do the work for you. You can trust this cleaner with your valuable CD players and game consoles. Its gentle yet effective design ensures no harm comes to your devices. Enjoy uninterrupted music and gaming sessions again. This cleaner ensures optimal performance and crystal clear playback every time. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. Our microfiber brush technology provides a superior clean without any damaging substances. What we like. This lens cleaner uses safe microfiber brushes to eliminate static and dust without any chemicals. If your CD player or game console is skipping or not reading discs properly, this is a simple and effective solution. It's designed for ease of use, making it perfect for anyone who wants to quickly restore their disc player's performance. What people say. The Laserdisc player has a sleek, retro design that looks great in any entertainment setup. It supports both NTSC and PAL formats, making it compatible with discs from around the world. The audio output is crisp and clear, delivering an immersive sound experience. Number 3. Arsvita CD Laser Lens Cleaner Disc Cleaning Set. Experiencing issues like slow loading, skipping, or freezing with your CD, VCD, or DVD player? It might be time for a clean. Our special two-brush system effectively removes stubborn dirt and dust. This process prevents audio and video dropouts and distortions. Cleaning the laser lens can significantly improve your player's performance. Enjoy enhanced sound and clearer images while extending its lifespan. Using this cleaner is straightforward and safe for your devices. Just insert it like a regular disc and let it work its magic. Inside the package, you'll find the cleaner disc, a soft microfiber cloth for gentle cleaning, and a user manual for easy guidance. This cleaner is designed for standard CD, VCD, and DVD players. Please note it is not compatible with certain gaming consoles or specific player models. What we like. Featuring a special two-brush cleaning process, this disc cleaner removes dirt and dust that cause playback issues. If you're experiencing slow loading, skipping, or freezing with your CD, VCD, or DVD player, this can significantly improve performance and extend the life of your device. It's a great option for those who want to maintain their existing players and enjoy uninterrupted audio and video. What people say. The laser disc video player has a sleek design and offers excellent picture quality. It supports multiple audio formats, providing a rich sound experience. The player is easy to set up and operate, making it user-friendly. Number 2. LONPOO LP099 Region-Free DVD Player. Enjoy your entire DVD collection without limitations. This player supports all regions and a wide range of disc formats, ensuring you never miss a moment of your favorite movies. Experience your standard DVDs like never before. It upscales content to stunning 1080p Full HD, delivering a sharper, more immersive picture on your modern TV. Access your digital content with ease. Simply plug in a USB drive to enjoy your music, photos, and videos directly on your TV. Take control of your playback. Features like A/B repeat, zoom, and slow motion allow you to customize how you watch, while the resume function remembers your place. Get started in minutes with the included HDMI and RCA cables. Its universal power supply means it's ready to use anywhere in the world. Manage all functions conveniently from your couch. The included remote puts complete control of your viewing experience right at your fingertips. What we like. This player offers region-free DVD playback and 1080p upscaling for enhanced picture quality on your HD TV, plus a built-in USB port for digital media. If you have a collection of DVDs from different regions or want to enjoy your digital photos and videos on the big screen, this is a versatile and convenient choice. It's perfect for avid movie collectors and those who enjoy a mix of physical and digital media. What people say. The laser disc video player offers excellent picture quality, providing a clear and sharp image that enhances the viewing experience. Its robust design ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for home entertainment. The player supports a wide range of formats, offering versatility for users with diverse media collections. Number 1. Arsvita Laser Lens Cleaner ARCD-04. Are you experiencing slow loading, skipping, or freezing with your CD, VCD, or DVD player? This can be frustrating, but there's a simple solution. Our special technology features a double brush system designed to effectively remove dirt and dust. This process ensures a thorough clean for optimal performance. By cleaning the laser lens, you can significantly improve sound and image quality. It also helps to extend the overall lifespan of your player. This cleaner is designed for standard CD, VCD, and DVD players. Please note it is not compatible with gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox, or specific players like Bose. Your purchase includes a cleaner disc, glasses cloth, cleaning fluid, and an after-sales card. We offer 24-hour customer support if you have any questions. What we like. This cleaner utilizes a double brush system and includes cleaning fluid for thorough disc maintenance, backed by 24/7 support. If your CD, VCD, or DVD player is struggling with playback due to dust and grime, this offers a comprehensive solution. It's ideal for users who want a complete cleaning kit and peace of mind with readily available customer assistance. What people say. The picture quality is surprisingly good for its age. It plays both sides of the disc automatically, which is a convenient feature. The sound output is clear and robust, offering a great audio experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.